I can explain. At the moment it's almost 7 o'clock and I've been up since 6 o'clock. And I've just been preparing for a year 13 leavers year 13 prank, because this is my last day of high school, guys. Like my last day as a high school student. I'm kind of nervous because it's also my birthday tomorrow and I'm not ready to be 18 yet. I'm also keeping my voice quiet because everyone else is asleep. Okay, I'm just gonna stop wasting time and actually style this hair. With this, not sponsored by the way. And yeah, I'm just gonna style the hair and actually get stuff done. So it's 7:30 right now. I've got all my stuff ready. I'm in my uniform. The eye makeup isn't necessary, but it's my last day of school. I might as well, you know, make myself look good, make myself feel good, you know? And hang on, let me put my glasses on because I can't see. So I guess we'll pack up, and I don't want to like bore you guys, so I guess I'll just cut straight to school.
Last high school day. This is me. Now I'm a what? This is what you look like. What a problematic class.
So I'm 18 now, like officially 18. It's like it's almost 11 and I'll be leaving soon to get my hair done. Okay, so I got my hair and makeup done in town. I'm just gonna do eyeshadow because they didn't do eyeshadow and I kind of wanted to do my own eyeshadow, but I really like the hair. I did my own eyebrows, so yeah. And so basically what they just did is just put on some foundation, contour and highlight, and just the basic stuff, pretty much stuff that I suck at doing. So I finished my makeup. I added a bit more blush and I added some highlighter as well underneath my eyebrows. So this is the final look, and then I'm gonna get my dress on soon, and then we're gonna head to the venue for my party. And I'm a bit nervous, but it's fine. Got this. So I guess I'll go get my dress on, and I guess after I get the dress on, I'll show you guys the dress, and then we'll probably get straight to the venue. Okay guys, I'm all dressed in my gown. There's actually supposed to be a petticoat under this, but I can't get through the doors with the petticoat on. So this is just what it looks like without the petticoat on. I do have a second dress for later in case this gets too annoying, because it is pretty heavy. But I also put on my necklace, my earrings. That's pretty much it. All done. We're just waiting to head up, and my friends are on their way as well, and the guests are starting to arrive. So I'm in the car right now. We're on our way to the venue. It's like 4 o'clock right now. We're a bit behind schedule, but I cannot tell you how painful the stress is. Because around like this part where my waist is, there's like these like flaps, and they're very spiky, and they're like digging into my skin. So if I wanted to stop for like at least a minute, I have to pull up my dress, and it just gives me relief for like 3 seconds before they start digging into my skin again. But yeah, this is the petticoat that I have to wear underneath it. It's very difficult. It was very difficult to get in here because it's a long dress, and I had to get my brother to carry the back of my dress while I carried the front of my dress, while I'm also carrying this, which has my pants because I'm on my period, and I also had to carry this for throughout the night in case it gets hot, and my phone, which I'm holding right now.
Trying to find out on what day that being picked on. See, the Friday you need to pick on Michael Day. Okay, that's all.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Alright, that's everyone.
Got any drinks?
Fuck's sakes, you alcoholic! There you are up there. I got on your phone again. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So it's currently like, it's almost 11 o'clock at night and just finished my party, and at the moment I'm starting to open all my gifts, but let me just quickly show you. So we have these, but then we have a whole bed full of presents, and I honestly wasn't expecting this much. You know, maybe some cash here and there, and that was pretty much it. But I just want to thank everyone who came, even though they're probably not going to see this, but I appreciate it, especially Tyler. I appreciate her. She's my best friend and I love her so much. Like, I honestly would not know what I'll be doing if we hadn't gotten so close last year. So I'm gonna open most of these off camera, but the present that I really want to open on camera is Tyler's present, which is this one, and it's really heavy, by the way. So I'm gonna start unwrapping all the presents. Okay, I already read this, and it's really cute.
Why the hell that? That's the one that's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm definitely hanging these in my room. Look how cute. There's more chocolate. Okay, hang on. Let me just quickly.
Wow. Nice.
I see stickers and scrunchies. Nail polish. Oh, this is a nice color. Chocolate that I will not share. Then we got lip masks and eye mask. And then I'll put that here. I'll just, yep. Crazy Friends, Amazing Memories. Oh, To the biscuit kit in this book you clicked on me. Oh. I will glue photos in here. Body blister storing. So we got hand cream, body wash, and body oil. Definitely put that into use. And we'll definitely put this in use. And then we got some stickers. I cannot wait to use these. What the heck? We got army bomb stickers and all that. Very cute. Oh, we got washi tape in there as well. And then I didn't have extra duct tape, but here's a book for you. Happy birthday. And another sketchbook. Add to my mini collection of other sketchbooks. Oh, Tyler. That's so cute. I will definitely be using these scrunchies because I lost my hair ties and I don't know where they went. Oh, Tyler. I love you, Tyler. I love you. I would scream, but it's almost 1 in the morning. But thank you. I finished wrapping all my presents. Like here's like all the wrapping and stuff. And then here's all my presents. So I have a couple on the bed, and then there's like some behind there. And then there's like hair. This needs to go back in here. So there's like a bunch. It just keeps going down there. And of course, this is my favorite present out of all of them. Because it's so cute. And it's from my best friend. And she's got... Love that. So, it's almost 1 in the morning. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep. And I guess that's it for this vlog. Boy, am I gonna have fun editing this.